Hello everyone, I am again back with 3 new setups to make home screen cool. If you want particular setup, check with the timestamp given in description. Let's get started with the first setup details now. For this Mortal Kombat setup I use widget from Bonsai KWGT. It shows time, date and shows music playing along with progress bar. Icon pack used as Kels. If you find any problems downloading from Google Drive, then message me on Instagram, link in description. Now let's move to next one. Here is the second AMOLED Naruto setup. Before giving the information, let's have a look at the wallpaper for a second. This widget is selected from clear KWGT. It shows time, day, date and month. I again use the icons from the previous one. Kels Icon pack, it perfectly matches with the wallpaper. It's completed. Now let's see the last minimal setup. Here is the last minimal setup. Before going to information, let's see the wallpaper for a second. Again I selected the widget from Bonsai KWGT. It shows almost all basic information such as time, day, weather forecast, location, music playing, and battery percentage left. Also you can Google search. Icon pack used for this minimal setup is Adaptive Pixel Dark Icon pack. It perfectly matches with the wallpaper. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe would be appreciated. See you all in next one.